And we are live. Okay. And so today we're really talking about equal length and congruency. So, Diciembre 9. So what we want to talk about mostly today is equal length and congruency. Okay. Congruency is going to have this symbol, and we're going to say same shape. So, Talon and Preston are both awesome guys, but I would never use the word equal, right? That wouldn't make any sense. We wouldn't say they're equal. We'd say they're the same size, maybe, but they're not equal. So, if I measure this segment, and I'm going to use centimeters, I got about 3.2. About 3.2. It says inch. Inches are dumb. We're just about the only country in the world that does inches, so dumb. And then I get about 6.6. So we could say that these two segments are not equal and they're not congruent. So I'm going to call this segment AB, and I'll call this segment CD. I can use any numbers, but you denote points by capital letters, okay? So I want to give it a name. I call it AB. You could have called it XY. Got a PQ. Call it whatever you want. I like AB though. CD. So I would say this. AB is not equal to CD. Agree? And I could also say that AB is not congruent to CD. This is what I like about math. I mean, you guys have seen me spell. I'm terrible. It's a miracle I got through English 101 in college. I like symbols. I don't have to write not congruent to, because I'll probably spell something wrong, right? I like symbols. Not equal to. Symbols are much better. You guys agree? I don't know. Somebody, yeah, Preston, your math guys. Symbols are much better. Exactly. Okay, so now examples 3 through 5. All right, I'm gonna get some graph paper out. You guys have some graph paper, I assume, somewhere. But number 3, ST. I just want to put my axes down. There you go. Anybody need some more graph paper?
Are you using it?
You can have that. I've got more graph paper. Here you go, guys. Here, pass that around if you want it. Here you go. Need some graph paper? Here you go. Alright, so I got ST and UV. S, -1, 2. Not even equal. You guys agree? Not even equal, right? Not even equal. I'll wait for you. Right? This one has a length of 3, that one has a length of 1. Easy. This is easy, right? Hey, but if I didn't have graph paper, I would just look here, and I'd see that I went from 2 to 1, which is a difference of 1, right? Or I went from -5 to -2. I went up 3, right? I know they have different lengths, so I'm going to say they're not equal, not congruent. All right, this is easy. Easy peasy. So I'm going to say that ST is not equal to UV, which means also that ST is not congruent to UV. All right.
If you plot it like wrong, would it matter the way you read it?
In this case, no, because you'd wind up with, they'd be different lengths anyway, right? Yeah. However, I want you to be able to plot it right. Okay, let's look at 4. Okay, I'm going to do 4. All right. 4. All right, I'm going to have S is negative 1, 1. T is 1, 1. I've got U, which is 3, 1, 2, 3, negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's my U, and my V is negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my V. All right. Yes, they're congruent. Yes, they're equal. Yeah, okay.
What's the difference between like the 2 lines and the 2 lines?
Great question. Okay, that's what we're talking about. Really good question. So, do they have the same length? In fact, what's the length? How long is this line? 2, right? What's the length of this one? Because they have the same length, we're going to say they're equal. Okay, we're going to say they're equal. Okay? So I'm going to say ST is equal to UV because they have the same measure. So when we're talking about their measure, we use equals. Okay? Now, are they the same shape? Tay, are they the same shape? Are they the same shape? Do they have the same shape? So we're going to use the other symbol. If they have the same shape, we use congruent. Okay? Same shape. So I'm going to say ST is congruent to UV. Okay? Because they have the same shape. So you guys have never seen this before, so it's new, isn't it? Yeah, Michael?
Point 1 is on your graph negative 1, 1, but in paper it's 1, negative 1.
Oh, did I put in the wrong spot?
Yeah.
Yeah, negative 1, 1's there. Oh, no, 1, negative 1. Oh, my goodness, Michael, thank you. All right. Thank you, Michael. I hate it when I make mistakes, but I'm glad you guys are here because you catch my dumb mistakes. Yes, indeed. Well, I really do have a degree in math. I just make a lot of mistakes, don't I? Okay. 5. Michael, let's see if I can do 5 correctly, huh? All right. So same thing on 5. I don't really need to do 5. You guys agree? Should I skip 5? Let's skip 5. Okay, let's go to 6, okay? Easy. KM. How long is KM? KM. How long is KM? Yeah. That plus that. You guys agree? Okay. KM. How long is KM? How hard is this? KM. How long is KM? Boom. Tough day today. Okay. All right. Turn the page. All right. Find AB. Yes. Find AB. How long is AB? See what I do? I get distracted. How long is AB? I got 1, 2, 3, and probably 1/4. I think it's 3 and 1/4, and I assume these are inches, right? I just counted. I was counting right. Just gonna go 1, 2, 3 1/4. Thumbs up. God, it's the easiest day of all, isn't it? Okay. And then 10. A man is 76 inches tall. The length from his head to shoulders is 14 inches. The length of his waist to shoulders is 30 inches. What's the length from his feet to his waist? Okay, well, I could draw a picture. You don't have to, but I'll draw a picture because I like to draw pictures. Pictures are awesome. How's that, huh? There's my picture. So I know that he's total 76, right? From his head to his shoulders is 14. And from his waist to his shoulders is 30. What's that length? Well, the picture really gives it away, doesn't it, right? So we know that 14 plus 30 plus x equals is 76, right? Hey, it's an equation. What do you know?
32 inches.
There you go. I believe you.
Why don't you just do 30 plus 14 minus 76?
Hey, let's do that. Let's see, it's 44 plus x equals 76. Hey, guess what? We just did the same thing, didn't we? Thank you, Mars. And Bailey said 32 inches, right? Totally agree. Mars, you're totally right. Yeah. Okay, so, is this true or false? Is F between E and G? Is F in between E and G? True. Yeah, that's pretty easy. Is C between B and D?
Yes.
True. Is A between B and F? Let's see, A is between B and F. Nah, false. How easy. What do you think? Easiest day ever? You guys agree? Okay, so, I want you to, you're probably going to